What is the area of the yellow circle? Label points A, B, C, D, and E. Join line A, B, line AD, and line C, E. Let angle B, A, D equals beta. This implies that angle C, E, D equals beta, which equals angle B, A, D. It is because angles in the same segment are equal. It follows that line C be divided by line B, E equals line B, D divided by line A, B, which equals to tan beta. It signify that 12 divided by 9 equals 5 divided by line AB. Cross multiply and we have that 12 times line A, B equals 9 times 5, which equals to 45. Divided the equation by 12 and we have that line A, B equals 45 divided by 12, which equals to 15 divided by 4 after simplification of values. Use the formula. For times the square of R equals the sum of the square of A, the square of B, the square of C, and the square of D. Here, A equals 15 divided by 4, B equals 5, C equals 12, and D equals 9. Substitute the values in the formula, and we have that. For times the square of R equals the sum of the square of 15 divided by 4, the square of 5, the square of 12, and the square of 9. Divided the equation by 4, and we have the equation for the square of R as shown on the screen. Simplify and we have that the square of R equals 4225 divided by 64. Take the square root of the equation and we have that R equals the square root of 4225 divided by 64, which equals 65 divided by 8. Hence, R equals to 65 divided by 8 in units. Mark the diameter of the circle and locate the center, O. Label points G, J, and K. It implies that line D, J equals half of line D, E, which equals to 7. After substitution and simplification of values, join line D, O equals R. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line J, O equals the square of line D, O minus the square of line D, J. Substitute values and we have that the square of line J, O equals the square of 65 divided by 8 minus the square of 7, which equals 1089 divided by 64. Take the square root of the equation. This implies that line J, O equals the square root of 1089 divided by 64, which equals to 33 divided by 8. Let line G, J equals the product of 2 and R, where R is the radius of the yellow circle. It signify that the sum of 2 times R and line J, O equals line D, O which equals to R. The result is equals to 65 divided by 8. It follows that 2 times R equals 65 divided by 8 minus line J, O which equals to 4. After substitution and simplification of values. It implies that 2 times r equals to 4. Divide the equation by 2 and we have that r equals half of 4, which equals to 2. Therefore, the area of the yellow circle equals the product of pi and the square of r, which equals to 4 times pi in square units.